Hello everyone. This gobi dish is one of my personal favorites and it is simply called Jeera Hing Gobi Fry. Let us cook together and enjoy the outcome. Comment to tell how you liked it and do subscribe to join me in this journey. In a pan, heat 5 to 6 tablespoons of mustard oil. I like to cook this in mustard oil for its flavor. You can substitute with any other oil. Take in 1 medium-sized cauliflower and cut them into small to medium pieces. Add them to the pan and stir fry them for a couple of minutes. To it, add half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt to taste. Now fry for a while. Then cover until the cauliflower is 90% cooked. This looks done. Take them out and keep them aside. For the next step, in the same pan, heat 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. To it, crackle 2 teaspoonfuls of jeera or cumin seeds, half teaspoon hing or asafoetida, half tablespoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur or dry mango powder. This will give the right tangy taste. Fry the masala really well so that the raw smell disappears. Once done, add the stir-fried cauliflower to it. Now toss all of them so that the masala nicely coats the cauliflower. While you do so, add a handful of green peas. Continue stirring for some more time. Add very little water. This will keep your vegetables moist when you cover and cook while you wait for your peas to be tender and gobi to be perfectly done. Finally, add some more amchur powder, which is purely optional, and handful of chopped coriander leaves. A final stir and our dish is ready. Serve this tasteful Jeera Hing Gobi fry with fulkas and I am sure you will equally enjoy. Find the ingredients list in the description box where you can leave your comments and subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes. Bye for now.